everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with the bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, if you really want to know, hey, have you met your life partner? Then this reading is definitely going to help you know that. I will be taking cards to see what is going to be the nature or the feature of your person as well in this reading. So, stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it is a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So, always pick the signs and messages that resonate and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well in the description box. So, Aries, let's see if you at times, wonder if the one that you are with is the life partner or is the one that you are going to end up with, but you're not so sure. Let's find out if you have met the life partner already, or the person that you're going to end up with. Yes or no? Have you met the one for you? Yes or no? Let's begin. Four of Cups, Nine of Swords, Seven of Cups. It doesn't seem so. You haven't met the one yet. Four of Swords underneath the deck. I feel like there is a specific someone that you that you are in a karmic relationship with. This person is not the one that the one that you're dealing with, or the one that you believe is the one for you. I don't see that person to be the one for you. You're just keeping yourself stuck in a situation with the wrong person, is what I'm picking up here. For majority of you, the one that you're destined to be with is somebody that you are yet to meet, because the one that you are currently with has been adding nothing good in your life. This person has been maybe keeping you stuck in a situation which is making you feel like at times that you are doing wrong to yourself. You might have been having some dreams, messages coming from the divine as well around it, but you have been ignoring those signs and messages, believing that one day things might get better. But at the same time, I feel like it's more of not your belief that it is going to happen. It's more of your fearful thought that I hope it works out, because otherwise you might not find anyone else other than this person. So there is a fear-based thought that is behind you not letting go of this person, is what I'm picking up. It's high time that you move on, because I feel like with the it's more like at times you feel like walking away, and then you start looking backward to the same person, and it's just keeping you blocked forever. The one that you are with, or the one that you might have dealt with in the past as well, that you might think maybe could return or something like that, I don't see that happening. It's high time that you break free from the expectations that you have around wrong people to give you love, to give you the stability that you seek in your life, because it seems like the one that you're destined to be is yet to enter in your life. Let's take more cards here. Yes, it will be somebody new. You are destined to meet the one which you haven't met yet. As of now, you haven't met the one that you're destined to be with, for sure. So this person is going to be somebody who is going to give you all that you seek in love. This person could be a fire sign as well. I feel like this person could be somebody who's very passionate, somebody who's very much going to be into you, somebody who's going to prioritize you, somebody who's going to be so much into you to the point that you would feel like oh my god, this is exactly how I wanted my man or my woman to be. So you are yet to meet the one that you want, that you are going to end up with. The one that you are with, the one that you might have been with, is definitely not the one for you. So let's see some cards to see what kind of nature or feature of your person will have. What kind of nature or feature the person will have. What kind of nature or feature this person might have. This person is going to be somebody who's going to be ready for a committed relationship only. This person is not going to waste your time into relationships at all. This person is going to be well accomplished kind of a person, charismatic, gifted, compassionate. This person is going to be like a very nice and kind of a person, a very loving, giving kind of a person in nature. You will experience a lot of positive changes as you have this person enter in your life. The troubled times will definitely be over as you have this person coming towards you in your life. You might meet this person through traveling for some of you, or relocating for some of you, and plus I feel like, for majority of you, you are going to relocate with this person as you end up with this person. Let's see more cards here. You will fall in love with this person, and then you will make that serious commitment there and then. I feel like, there is not going to be those things where you have to wait on for this person to open up and stuff like that. This person will heal you for all the wrong that you might have been through in love ever. So this person is definitely going to be somebody new. Plus this person is going to heal your past and make you kind of, believe in love all over again. Let's see some more oracle cards. What do you need to do to have what you desire in love? What else do you need to do to have what you desire in love? Cloak of Wisdom. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. So I feel like, for majority of you, you have been, like I told you earlier, I think like, you might have been getting the inner knowing around, or you've been having that inner understanding, or inner you felt the urge to walk away from something which is like, keeping you stuck in your love life. And I feel like, you know what you need to release, what you need to do right now to get your life moving forward. Right now you're stuck because of a wrong person, so try to listen to that inner calling that you have been having around this situation currently that you're dealing with in your love life. Let's see more cards here. The energy is gaining momentum. I feel like, you will soon understand what needs to be done, and you will be taking action towards that thing. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what else do you need to do to have what you desire. Intimacy you share is magical. The one that you're destined to be with, I feel like, like I said earlier, there is going to be a lot of sexual and passionate energies coming in with this person. But I feel like, this person is not going to be like, taking you for granted. It can be earth signs as well for some of you. This person is going to be like a gem of a person, somebody who's very, giving, somebody who's very caring. You are doing something wrong. You really have to understand that you are doing something wrong. Try to listen to the intuition that you have been having around this current situation. Try to have fun in your life. Try to add, let new people come in your life. Receive divine messages again. Aries and Gemini could be the signs that you're dealing with as well. Happy changes are in near future. So I feel like, it's high time that you start believing that something beautiful is yet to enter in your life, and stop being in a shitty situation with the wrong person. You might be stuck in a situation. Just try to free yourself from that. Last card for this read. Let's see what else do you need to do to have what you desire in your love life. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. I feel like, it's very important for you, especially if you have been in a wrong relationships. It's very important for you to spend some time with yourself. And as you do that, maybe when you're spending some time with yourself, maybe at the park, maybe at some, some quiet place somewhere in the nature, you might meet the one there. Like I said earlier, I feel like, like I said, the person that you are with, or the person that you've dealt with in the past, is not the one. The one that you are destined to be with is yet to enter in your life. So that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like and subscribe. And yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.